Okay, so this is Logan from IT Evolution, and we're going to show you how we've changed the bulb on this projector. So first we're going to show you what it does when it starts up and how it's broken. So for this one, when we turn it on, the lens comes out from here and it will starting up. However, if you can see here on the top, it's showing an orange light for a bulb. So it will start up a little bit, but we're not going to be able to see too much of an image. It's taking a while to start up, and when I look at the screen and I cannot see any image even when it's turned on. So here it's gonna start coming on. So we also have a laptop here to try to test to see if the video will come out of it. We're going to connect it and see how it works. So yeah, it's not even bright enough to show on the screen, is it? So here we just have like a blue screen. And so right now it should be showing like a picture on the screen. So we're going to try to see if we can look at the image. We can see it a little bit. Anyways, here we are now installing the new bulb. Just a couple of screws right here to be inserted. And then the last thing is to make sure that this is facing up with these little tabs to help hold it in place. So that will go inside of there. And that is it. Now we're going to plug in the projector to see if the new bulb works. So first we connect the video, and now power cable. I'll turn that on again. Give it a little bit to warm up. Okay, it's turning on, and we're going to point again at the ceiling to see what the image looks like. So here we are, we're starting up now, the fan is going. Then the light is now green to let us know that the bulb is good. Okay, here we have the logo. As you can see, it's much brighter now. So it also says lamp replacement right here, to let us know that we have replaced the lamp. So I'm just going to push back. Now we'll turn on the computer to see if we can see the picture on it. So here we are. We should be having an image on here. There we go. So it's very good. The image is nice and bright in here, even with the lights on. So that's it. This was a success. And that will be it for now. We'll turn it off, of course. And you can see again how it closes the lens. So that's very cool. So that is it. Then we'll wait for that to shut down. Anyways, that's going to be it for now. So if you'd like to see more of me, be sure to subscribe, as we repair phones, tablets, computers, all brands of devices, including projectors. Thank you.